Imagine a meticulously maintained vehicle, receiving its scheduled oil changes and tire rotations, yet it suffers a catastrophic failure. The engine seizes, the transmission locks, or the electrical system inexplicably shuts down. The owner, baffled, often attributes it to bad luck or a manufacturing defect. However, the true culprit often lies in a series of overlooked, subtle habits, behaviors that extend far beyond the explicit service intervals. These unseen practices fundamentally dictate the operational lifespan and reliability of any automobile. The common perception of car maintenance often stops at the manufacturer's prescribed schedule for oil changes, tire rotations, and perhaps filter replacements. This approach, while essential, overlooks critical areas of wear, fluid degradation, and system stress that do not adhere to fixed mileage or time. Ignoring these nuances transforms routine upkeep into a reactive process, addressing symptoms rather than proactively preventing the underlying causes of failure. The challenge is identifying and implementing these preventative actions before component degradation becomes irreversible. Our first unseen habit centers on comprehensive fluid management, extending significantly beyond engine oil. Brake fluid, for instance, is hygroscopic, absorbing moisture over time. This moisture reduces the fluid's boiling point, leading to brake fade under heavy use and accelerating corrosion within the brake lines and calipers. A visual check of the reservoir level is insufficient. Regular testing for moisture content is crucial. Neglecting this leads to diminished braking performance and costly component replacement. Similarly, power steering fluid, differential fluid, and manual transmission fluid are often categorized as lifetime fills, a term that can be misleading. While these fluids are designed for extended service, they still degrade under thermal stress and contamination. Their viscosity breaks down, and their additive packages deplete, leading to increased friction, premature wear of gears and pumps, and ultimately, system failure. Regular inspection for discoloration and odor, followed by timely replacement, is a proactive measure against expensive component overhaul. The integrity of belts and hoses constitutes the second critical habit. Beyond catastrophic failure, a worn accessory belt can slip, reducing the efficiency of the alternator, power steering pump, or air conditioning compressor. Hoses, exposed to constant thermal cycling and pressure, can harden, soften, or develop internal delamination long before external cracks are visible. A tactile inspection, checking for proper tension and pliability, combined with visual scrutiny for bulges or abrasions, prevents unexpected breakdowns and loss of essential functions. Third, proactive battery health maintenance is paramount. While a dead battery often signals an obvious problem, chronic undercharging or parasitic drains can slowly degrade its capacity, shortening its life and stressing the charging system. Cleaning corrosive terminals ensures optimal electrical flow, but regular load testing reveals the battery's true state of health. Furthermore, understanding the vehicle's electrical system to identify and rectify minor current draws when the vehicle is off prevents the battery from slowly discharging. Our fourth habit focuses on suspension component vigilance. Worn bushings, ball joints, or tie rod ends do not always present as immediate, dramatic failures. Instead, they manifest as subtle changes in ride quality, increased road noise, or imprecise steering. These minor degradations amplify stress on adjacent components, accelerating wear across the entire suspension and steering geometry. A proactive inspection, involving lifting the vehicle and checking for play in individual components, can avert significant repair costs and restore driving precision. Fifth, maintaining correct steering and alignment dynamics goes beyond preventing uneven tire wear. Minor impacts, potholes, or even component replacement can subtly alter alignment angles. Even if tire wear is not yet evident, improper alignment can cause increased steering effort, reduced fuel economy, and premature wear on suspension components. Routine alignment checks, especially after encountering significant road hazards, ensures the vehicle tracks straight and true, minimizing stress on the chassis and tires. Tire balancing is equally important. An unbalanced wheel introduces harmonic vibrations that can damage bearings and steering components over time. Sixth, underbody and chassis preservation is a habit frequently overlooked. The vehicle's underside is constantly exposed to moisture, road salt, and debris, making it highly susceptible to rust and physical damage. Regular inspection for corrosion, particularly around structural elements, brake lines, and fuel lines, is essential. Loose fasteners, worn exhaust hangers, or damaged heat shields can lead to more significant problems if not addressed promptly. A thorough underbody wash, especially in regions using road salt, can mitigate corrosion risks. The seventh unseen habit involves understanding electrical system nuances. Modern vehicles rely heavily on a complex network of sensors and wiring harnesses. While obvious electrical failures are addressed, intermittent sensor readings, frayed wiring, or compromised ground connections can lead to subtle performance issues, reduced fuel efficiency, and eventually, component failure. Utilizing diagnostic tools to monitor sensor data stream values, rather than waiting for a check engine light, provides insight into the health of critical systems before a fault code is triggered. 8th, the condition of your HVAC system and cabin air quality. The cabin air filter, often neglected, directly impacts both air quality and the efficiency of your heating and cooling system. A clogged filter restricts airflow, forcing the blower motor to work harder and potentially leading to premature failure. Beyond the filter, the evaporator core can accumulate mold and mildew, leading to unpleasant odors and reduced cooling performance. Regular filter replacement and occasional evaporator cleaning contribute to system longevity and occupant health. 9th, fuel system purity plays a significant role in engine longevity. While fuel filters are replaced per schedule, consistent use of low-quality fuel or frequent driving with a near-empty tank can introduce contaminants and stress the fuel pump. Fuel injectors, precise instruments, can become clogged over time, leading to reduced fuel economy, misfires, and increased emissions. Periodic fuel system cleaning, particularly for direct injection engines, and avoiding running the tank to near empty, helps maintain optimal fuel delivery. Finally, the 10th habit encompasses driving behavior as a form of maintenance. Aggressive acceleration and braking, harsh cornering, and repeated impacts with potholes or curbs impart significant stress on every component of the vehicle. Gentle driving reduces wear on the engine, transmission, brakes, tires, and suspension. Allowing the engine to properly warm up before strenuous driving and a brief cool-down period after high-load operation also mitigates thermal stress on critical components, extending their operational life. Integrating these unseen habits transforms reactive maintenance into a holistic, proactive approach to vehicle health. It means moving beyond merely responding to warning lights or service intervals. It requires an informed awareness of your vehicle's operational feedback, a willingness to perform thorough inspections, and an understanding that every component contributes to the overall system's integrity. This paradigm shift minimizes unexpected breakdowns and costly repairs. The cumulative effect of these seemingly minor, often overlooked habits is profound. They collectively contribute to enhanced reliability, improved fuel efficiency, extended component life, and ultimately, a safer driving experience. By adopting these 10 beyond-the-fix practices, vehicle owners transition from being passive recipients of service to active participants in preserving their car's unseen life, ensuring it operates optimally for years to come.